Oriental dollar birds. These birds have round blue colored dollar shaped patches on their wings, and on flight, two round white patches or dollar shaped patches can be seen. That's why it's dollar bird. These are migratory birds to India. They fly approximately 8,000 kilometers to reach our southern India. These birds migrate to India to escape from the harsh weather in the northern regions. They are primarily found in Australia and in Japan. These birds are cousins of our Indian rollers. They belong to the same family.